story behind the first day of Diwali, Dhanteras. We all know the significance of Diwali and why it is celebrated. We know that the night Lord Ram finally returned to his kingdom Ayodhya after defeating Ravan was a dark new moon night. And to welcome him home and show him the path in the darkness, the people placed thousands of clay lamps, diyas, across the city. Light filled every corner and darkness disappeared. This is where the name Diwali or Deepavali comes from. But do you know the story behind Dhanteras? Very few of us do. So that's what we are sharing with you in this mini story. Dhanteras is celebrated 2 days before Diwali, on the 13th day of the moon cycle. Dhan means wealth, and on this day we celebrate not just material wealth but also the most important wealth of all, life itself. It is a time when the world feels hopeful and bright. This day is associated with two main stories. First, the Puranas or the ancient stories of Indian culture say that on Dhanteras, the gods were once performing Samudra Manthan, a mixing or stirring of a spiritual ocean. This is the day when both Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, money and success, and Dhanvantari, the god of health and healing, appeared from that ocean. Dhanvantari was carrying the Amrit Kalash, the pot of life-giving nectar, or Amrit, signifying good health and a long, happy life. This is why people buy new utensils or metals on this day, symbolically welcoming health and prosperity into their homes. Goddess Lakshmi's birth begins the entire celebration of Diwali as we prepare for the most important night of Lakshmi Pujan, the worshipping of all the jewels and wealth in the house. Dhanteras also tells the interesting story of Prince Jyotir and his brave wife. The prince had received a terrible prediction about his future, that he would be bitten by a snake and die on the fourth night of his marriage. A dark, sad end was waiting for him and his wife, but his brave wife Tejasvi refused to accept this. She would not let this dark destiny steal her beloved prince from her. "I will fight back with light," she declared. On the fateful night, she created a brilliant wall of light. She arranged all their gold coins and glittering royal jewelry at their doorstep. She also lit hundreds of small oil lamps, tiny, hopeful stars against the deep darkness, until the whole doorway became a dazzling, living wall of fire and light. Tejasvi kept her husband awake all night long. She told him lively stories and sang cheerful songs because she knew that the god of death, Yama, could only take a soul that was sleeping. At midnight, Yama, the fearsome god of death, arrived. He came in the form of a huge poisonous serpent, a snake, and slithered right up to their door. But the brilliant, endless light from the gold and the lamps was too powerful. It burnt and stung Yam's eyes, and he could not push through the dazzling, bright, protective shield of light the prince's wife had built for him. He had no choice but to coil back into the dark shadows. The prince was thus saved, all thanks to his wife's courage and the strength of the luminous light she had created. And this is the reason why on Dhanteras we light a special lamp for Yama, the Yamadeep, to celebrate the defeat of death and the triumph, the victory of life. Did you know this fascinating story behind Dhanteras? Write yes or no in the comments and let us know. And here's wishing you and your loved ones a safe and happy Diwali.